everyone, today let's take a look at how to set up single row and multi-row cylinders and understand their differences so we can better optimize the production process.
First, the system's default cylinder mode is multi-row cylinder mode. If you need to change the cylinder mode, you must log in with administrator or higher privileges. Click the area in the upper right corner of the page, select administrator privileges in the permission change pop-up window, and then enter the password 8 once. After switching successfully, a user switch success prompt will appear. You can also see our current permission level in the upper right corner of the screen, which means we can now modify the cylinder mode. In multi-row cylinder mode, a single row in the programming table can activate multiple cylinders at the same time. For example, if the cylinder column shows 12, it means cylinders 1 and 2 are activated simultaneously. -12 means cylinders 1 and 2 are deactivated simultaneously. It is important to note that multi-row cylinder mode supports a maximum of only 8 cylinders, so if you need to use more than 8 cylinders, please use single-row cylinder mode. In single-row cylinder mode, each row in the programming table can only open or close one cylinder at a time. Similarly, in the cylinder column, entering 12 means opening cylinder number 12, and 12 means closing cylinder number 12. Single-row cylinder mode can support up to 20 cylinders.
With today's explanation, I believe everyone has now mastered the basic usage of single-row and multi-row cylinder modes. I hope today's sharing has been helpful to you.